I wanted to see if it was actually possible to start from zero and make your first $1,000 using only AI tools. No money, no coding, no followers. I'm talking real income, not scams. And here's the crazy part. It worked. Today, I'm giving you the exact repeatable system I used, step by step. If you're ready to stop watching and start earning, lean in. This is the simple system to make your first $1,000 from absolute zero, using only free AI tools. Here's the quick roadmap so you know exactly what you're about to learn. Choose a high-demand AI service, get your first paying clients, and then deliver fast and scale to your first $1,000. Most people overcomplicate this. To hit $1,000 fast, you need a simple, repeatable offer that I can fulfill quickly. This means trading minutes for real cash. The offer that worked best? Content bundles powered by AI, specifically short-form video scripts, social media caption packs, and small website copy rewrites. These sell like crazy because AI does 90% of the heavy lifting. You don't need 50 ideas. You need one that prints your first $100 fast. Here's the winner. 10 social media captions for $15. It's quick, easy, and something business owners hate doing. Let's move on to step 1. Pick the no-brainer service that delivers value instantly. Here's the exact prompt I used. Feel free to steal it. Write 10 short Instagram captions for a business type. Keep them under 20 words, add emojis, and use a friendly modern tone. Boom, a deliverable people pay for. Done in under a minute. Now for step 2. Selling the service without spending a penny on ads or building a complicated website. You don't need to beg strangers. You just need this one sentence. Hey, I create fast, AI-powered social media caption bundles. I can give you 10 posts in 24 hours for $15. Want to try it? Send that to 20 small businesses on Instagram or LinkedIn. If you prefer marketplace traffic, create a Fiverr gig titled, I will write 10 AI-powered social media posts for your brand. Use Canva to make one simple sample graphic, and you're done. Clients come to you. Finally, step 3. Deliver fast using nothing but free AI tools. This is where your time becomes leverage. Here's the workflow I use to deliver everything in under 10 minutes. Use ChatGPT to generate the captions. Ask for 3 tone variations. Paste 1 into Canva for a sample image, and deliver through Google Docs with a clean layout. The secret isn't working harder, it's working smarter. AI becomes your team, your writer, your formatter, your designer. Because delivery takes minutes, your effective hourly rate skyrockets. This is the part most creators hide, but I'll show you the real math of how the money adds up to over $1,000. 15 caption bundles at $15 each equals $225. 10 short-form scripts at $25 each gets you $250. And 8 website copy rewrites at $50 each brings in $400. That's already over $1,000 with upsells. Once you hit that first 1,000, here's how to scale beyond it. Turn one offer into your signature service. Use Notion and Zapier to automate onboarding. Build pre-made templates to deliver even faster, and raise your prices as demand rises with quality. This is how you go from side hustle to small agency without burning out. And if you want the exact prompts I used, the workflow map, and the fastest earning AI gigs you can start today, grab your free AI Money Starter Kit. The link is in the description. If today's video helped you, hit subscribe because I share simple systems like this every single day. AI is changing the way we work, and the ones who learn now are the ones who win big later. Thanks for watching. Let's build smarter, not harder.